Do you want to see an informal air raid shelter near Gravesend in Kent? Yeah, I thought you did.
Preview.
Everybody, welcome to a really interesting bit of history which has been documented. So we're documented as of today. It was documented in the historical record, so I'm going to take you through. This is what they call an informal air raid shelter, which is basically, the idea was that it was informally used as a railway shelter. It's about 30 metres long. It's an amazing structure actually. Goes over, or did go over, the North Kent railway line. Right on cue, how cool is that? So yeah, North Kent railway line's going across. Pretty cool. And basically it was for the local residents who would use this as a sort of informal air raid shelter, using sort of sandbags and everything else just to sort of block off the main parts of the air raid shelter. And it's a nice bit of history, I'd say. So yeah. We're sort of near Ebbsfleet train station is literally over there. And in fact, you can see the sign which says Swanscombe and Ebbsfleet, if you can see that. There you go. And yeah, it stunk of stale weed in there, so you can blatantly tell that teenagers, or whomever, might not be teenagers, have been using it for some sort of, you know, little private party. It's amazing condition, as you sort of saw, and it's fantastic. How cool is that? An informal air raid shelter in World War II, and it's documented as that as well. So actually in historical records it's actually put down as that, so it's so amazingly interesting people to sort of know about that. So yeah, there you go. Nice bit of history for you. Let's take one final look. So you can imagine local residents using this whilst the bombs were going overhead, because you've got to imagine Gravesend, Northfleet, all this whole area is very industrialised, and obviously you've got to imagine this is like the route into London, because the German bombs would have been using the Thames, which is literally just across literally there, to be used as some sort of navigational guide. Yeah, incredible. Absolutely incredible. Only 30 metres, nothing long, but like I said, the point is that it's documented as that, and it was documented as the local residents using it. So incredible. Let's walk one more time through. It just stinks of stale weed. It's quite popular. I mean, as I've been recording it, I'm trying to sort of do it where there's not many people keep coming through, but oh, that smell. Good old days. Yeah, look, it's cool. I love these bits of history. I just love these bits of history because it just makes so much sense. Like I said, because you've got all the industry that's surrounding here, you've got the main train line, which obviously, you know, Germans would target railway lines, but the point is this is for practical use. Better than being in your own house, I would assume, you know, for fear of if your house got hit, or if there was a hit next to you, you'd be sort of like that. At least you've got plenty of room in here. Just, yeah, how amazing. How amazing. There you go, hopefully you like that. I loved it. I've never known about it. I had to look up on the historical records to find this place. I was like, oh my god, like, I know where this is. Like, you know, I know this place. So there you go. Right. Nice bit of World War II history for you. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. Any more words of Phoenix history, because history matters. And I'll see y'all very soon. There you go. Your World War II aero shelter. An informal one. Remember that, it's an informal one. Pretty cool.